guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how to delete saved password in Chrome browser. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So let's see that you have many saved passwords on your Chrome browser, so you want to delete them. So in such cases what you can do is you just need to go to this, hover onto this three dots that are on your top right corner. Click on it and here you can find the settings part. So click on the settings. After you open the settings, here in the left side you can see there are many options. So go for the autofill. So here you can just see there are three options that are password manager, payments methods and addresses and more. So as we want to check about the passwords, click on the password manager, and here once you scroll down you can just see that all the saved passwords list. So here you can add something or you can just click on this to show the password, and you even have some options like copy password, edit password or remove password. So you can use this like whenever you forget a password that is saved, so you can just use it to copy the particular password, or you can edit the password if you have changed it to your saved passwords, and also you can remove this from your Chrome, which is the main aim of us. So in this way we can just click on the remove to remove this password. So in this very simple steps you can remove your password or edit your password or copy your password from your Chrome browser. So I hope you found this video useful to you, and please do like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro so that you never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching guys.